AMI was originally founded as a video company. We've been creating content for over 15 years now, helping manufacturers showcase their capabilities that stand out from competitors. Putting faces to names is incredibly powerful. Your people are one of the biggest assets, so showing them the processes and the machinery behind your products builds credibility and trust.
One of the perks of my job is getting to visit our clients at their facilities all around the UK and project managing their video shoots, a recent one being Alloy Wire. Through video, we were able to take viewers behind the scenes of their wire manufacturing operations, showing off their facilities, their expertise, and most importantly, the team behind Alloy Wire. The final cut didn't just tell their story, but it showed it in a way that text and images simply couldn't.
But we don't just film technical processes like those of Alloy Wire. We filmed casting foundries, machine shops, metal fabrication, clean room facilities, and electronic manufacturing assembly lines. We understand and appreciate how powerful video really is. It's mobile friendly, it's shareable, and it's more engaging than scrolling through paragraphs of text. Studies actually show that viewers remember 95% of a message in a video compared to just 10% when reading text. If you're not already using video, now's the time to start. It generates more engagement than text and images combined.